Welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Today, we're diving into adjustment clips, an incredible way to apply effects and color grades to multiple clips simultaneously. Let's get started. To add an adjustment clip, head over to the effects library on the top left. Under Toolbox, find the effects section and locate the adjustment clip. Drag it onto your timeline and place it above the clips you want to modify. Once it's on the timeline, anything you apply to the adjustment clip, whether it's color grading, effects, or transitions, will affect all the clips underneath it. For example, to apply a color grade, select the adjustment clip, switch to the color page, and make your adjustments. In this case, I'm giving a tint something like this so that you can notice the difference. If I go to the Edit tab now, you can see that these changes instantly affect every clip below. If you need to adjust the duration of the adjustment clip, simply click and drag its edges to shorten or extend it. This gives you full control over where the effects start and end. If you want to temporarily disable the adjustment layer, you can also disable the track by clicking on this Disable Video Track button. Adjustment clips are a fantastic way to keep your timeline clean and ensure a consistent look across your video. And that's it. Adjustment clips are a game changer for efficient editing in DaVinci Resolve. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tips. See you in the next one.